Man, those puddle lights are boring. They're so boring. Hello and welcome to How to Helen, where you learn something different every day. In this episode, we will be replacing the door courtesy lights or puddle lights on this 2009 Infiniti G37. We will be replacing them with some 3D LED projector door lights. These door lights are available on Amazon or on eBay. Now let me show you what's inside this particular package. This one came with a door light removal tool. And of course, the two LED lights. Now with the LED lights, just my suggestion, when you purchase your door lights, make sure that you get the ones with a glass lens, because the ones with the plastic lenses tends to have their logo diminish very quickly. Now let's take off the door light. With a tool that was included in my package, I'm gonna wedge it between the door light and the door panel. So wedge it on the top part, then try to pull it down to separate the door light from the door panel and pull it down. Just be careful, don't try to force it. And there it came out. Now to remove the connector, just press on the locking tab on top and pull it off the door light. There's your old door light. The door light that I purchased actually is side specific, so we'll get the left one for the driver's side and connect it. Alright, slide the connector at the back. Then put it back in position. And as you can see, this has the Infiniti logo. Now let's do the other side. Same on this side, just wedge the tool in between the door light and the panel. Then carefully slide it down. Remove the connector. Now connect the new door light. As you can see, it says right for the passenger side. And slide it back in. And there's also the Infiniti logo. Let's see how it looks like at nighttime.
A few moments later.
That's hot. Nice. And that is how to replace the courtesy door light or puddle light for this 2009 Infiniti G37. This has been another episode of How to Helen. My name's Jeff and it's raining. Thank you for watching. And that is how to replace the door courtesy lights or puddle lights on this 2009 Infiniti G37. This has been another episode of How to Helen. My name's Jeff and thank you for watching. And that is how to replace the door courtesy lights or puddle lights on this 2009 Infiniti G37. This has been another episode of How to Helen. My name's Jeff and thank you for watching. Oh, very nice. Very nice. Not too shabby.